Have you seen the Square card charge, which is titled 12920 SE 38th Bellevue WA 98006? Then this is more like an address, okay? And a lot of people have seen this charge on their credit card. They reach out to me, and that is why I've decided to create a video tutorial on it. So in case you've seen this charge in your credit card, then just know that right here I'm going to be talking about where this charge might possibly come from, and also some extra practices that you can adopt for you to be able to possibly solve this credit card charge. Okay. And from research I made, then I'm able to see that it's from T-Mobile. Okay, the charge is from T-Mobile, and the it's some little charge from transactions. Okay, so it's from T-Mobile, and the little charge is from transactions. So it's more of a legitimate charge. Okay, it's a legitimate charge, and you might just want to reach out to T-Mobile for more information. Okay, so but the best thing here is that you should always take quick actions when you see it happen, so that you can quickly lodge your complaint. Okay, so after we made some research, because some people complain that, oh, they saw this charge on their credit card, and they start freaking out that, okay, it is another scam charge, and all those illegitimate charges and all that. But after thorough asking, and also going ahead to make more research, and also from even the team also, members of the group also going ahead to decide to put action into this, we are able to see that it actually comes from the T-Mobile team. All right. So reaching out to your credit card issuer is not also bad. Okay. So you can reach out to your credit card issuer, because that way they're able to also help you, possibly reach out to T-Mobile, and quickly fix this issue. Okay. But however, we're able to see that it's still a legitimate charge. All right. And in case you have any other thing to say, like maybe this is not a legitimate charge from your hand, yeah, you can let us know in the comment box. I'm sure it will help other people also to know more. Okay, you can let us know where your own charge come from, but from our own research, we're able to see that it comes from T-Mobile. Right now, let's talk about some best practices that you can adopt for you to possibly be able to solve this issue. All right, and in case you notice this, your first one you want to do is to review the charge. Okay, so you want to make sure that you verify the details of the charge, and you want to ensure that it is indeed an error and also an unauthorized charge. Okay, so in case maybe it's not like you've performed a transaction earlier, maybe you bought something under the T-Mobile shop, okay, and that is why this charge occurred, right? Maybe a member of your family might have purchased something, so that could possibly be the reason. So try as much as possible to check for these, okay, and check any recent transaction or bills from T-Mobile, okay. So this way you are able to confirm before you even start lodging complaints. Okay, so you next thing is that you want to reach out to T-Mobile support. Okay, so you want to contact their customer service to inquire about the charge. Okay, so you want to provide them with details, and also explain why you believe that it is incorrect or unauthorized. Okay, so in case you want to reach out to T-Mobile, you can always go to Google. You're gonna get their customer service number there. Go to their website. Okay, and you get the customer service. Just type T-Mobile customer service on Google, and you'll be able to get their customer service number, so you can reach out to them, call them, and you can lodge your complaint, telling them about what happened, and showing them exactly the charge, okay, and letting them know that it is unauthorized, and you've never made any transaction that could lead to any charge on your credit card. Okay, and also you can request for a refund or correction. So it's possible you can ask T-Mobile to review and rectify the charge. Okay, so you can do this and tell them that you need a refund, okay, or maybe a corrected bill, okay, a corrected bill if necessary. Okay, also you can document everything. It's very important, because whenever you keep details record of all communications, okay, with T-Mobile, for example, like dates, times, names of representatives, and summaries of conversation, these are the things that you can submit to your credit card issuer, so they will be able to act promptly and quickly help you out in solving this issue, okay, as soon as possible. Okay, and also you can dispute the charge with your credit card issuer. So in case T-Mobile does not resolve the issue, try and contact your credit card issuer to dispute the charge. Okay, so but to do this, you need to provide detailed documentation, just like I said, those times, day, names, dates, summaries of conversation. You need to provide them, so to back up your claim that the charge is unauthorized or erroneous. Okay, and always make sure that you monitor your account. So you need to regularly check your credit card statements to ensure the charge is corrected, and there are no further errors, don't just lodge complaint and just relax, because a lot of people do that. They just lodge complaint and they relax, maybe due to work. But please try as much as possible to always follow up and be checking, you know, be monitoring your account. Okay. Also, you want to check for any impacts on services. Okay. So you need to ensure that disputing the charge does not affect your T-Mobile service, because sometimes when you dispute charge, I can see some people also say after disputing a charge, they kind of see some effect, okay, some negative effect on their T-Mobile service. So you need to confirm with T-Mobile that your service will continue, uninterrupted, okay, while the issue is being resolved. So this way, we will be here with you, know, okay, at least you're on the safer side, so you can keep using your T-Mobile even while the issue is being resolved. And in case there is anything else, like you've tried everything and it's not working, then you can try and reach out to the Consumer Protection Agency. So if the issue is not resolved, you can go ahead, reach out with the Better Business Bureau or your local consumer protection agency. But this is just an extra step, because everything I've talked about, reaching out to credit card issue at T-Mobile and doing all that, should possibly help you to resolve this issue. Okay, it's not that hard up to this extent, but in case of anything, this is just like an extra measure. Okay, and always make sure that you stay vigilant. So you need to continue to monitor your credit card statement and any interactions with T-Mobile to catch any feature errors promptly. Okay, always stay vigilant. This will help you also to uh, scale through. All right, and always educate yourself, learn about common billing issues and how to protect your personal information to avoid future incidents. Okay, and also familiarize yourself with T-Mobile legitimate billing practices to recognize potential errors. Okay, so these are the things I have for you regarding this charge on credit card, right, from T-Mobile. And in case you've also experienced this, let us know in the comment box what you're able to do to solve this crisis, okay, or this issue. Okay, and if any one of the best measures I've talked about really has helped you, can also let us know in the comment box. Possibly it helps other people to also make the best decision out there. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you the best in solving this issue. Until another time, bye for now.